Hello again. I just wanted to have a few more problems for you if you're still struggling a little bit with the probability questions on boom cards. So my example for you here, let me get a cool color, is say I have a class of these 10 lovely students. I have these 4 girls here that are all quiet and keep to themselves. Then I have these 6 boys that are not so quiet, but I love them all. So the question I have for you is, let's just go to basic questions. What's the probability I select a boy, right? If I'm going to bug someone to answer a question for me, it's a probability I randomly select a boy. So that would be there are 6 boys out of the total number in the class, which would be 10. So we could simplify that to be 3 out of 5 times I would select a boy. And then the opposite of that is selecting a girl, right? And there are 4 girls out of 10 total, which simplifies to 2 out of 5. So that's just basic probability. But now if we start to combine it with multiple events happening. So like if I have the probability, I'm going to select 2 of you to get a prize for Wonderful Wednesday or something, right? So probability that I will select a boy and then another boy. And just like Wonderful Wednesday, you can't be repeated, right? So once you're selected, you are taken out of the running. So this is without replacement. So it is a dependent event because the probability of the first boy will affect the probability of the second boy being selected. So first boy is our 6 out of 10, or you could reduce that right now to be 3 out of 5, times, then the next one being a boy, well, now there's only 5 boys left to choose from out of 9 total people. And then you would multiply it and simplify that. Okay. And then what if I did probability of a girl? Sorry, I'm just going to write G because I'm going to run out of room. Probability of me selecting 3 girls in a row. So now I'm going to do 3 instead of just 2 people. So probability of the first one is a girl. It's 4 out of 10. And then now that girl's out of the running. So now there's 3 girls left out of 9. And then now there are just 2 girls left out of 8. And to make your life easier, you could just simplify each of those before you multiply. Then whatever that is. Now, I did want to talk about one more thing because you have a question on the Google Slides assignment that I made you that is kind of like this, or uses this arithmetic, I guess you could say. So what's the probability of me selecting a dog? Okay, I couldn't say hamster because we have a hamster, but so the probability of me selecting a dog and then a boy, well, can I select a dog if there are no dogs? No, so that probability, sorry, I should write that. Dog and then a boy. So that is going to be 0, right? Because it's not happening. There are no dogs in my classroom, so therefore probability of that happening is 0. So just keep that in mind. If it can't happen, then that means the probability is 0. So hopefully this helps you. And as I said, keep in touch with me if you have any questions. And there will soon be a mastery on this concept. So be looking for that in Canvas. Have a good day.